In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add camera shake in DaVinci Resolve. If you want to make your footage feel more intense, more dynamic, or just a little less static, adding a camera shake effect can be a quick and effective solution. DaVinci Resolve makes this very simple, and the entire process only takes a moment once you know where to look. To get started, make sure your clip is already placed on the timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is important because the camera shake effect needs to be applied directly to a clip. Once your footage is ready, move your attention to the top left area of the interface and click on Effects. This will open the Effects panel where you can browse different tools and visual effects available inside Resolve. After that, use the search bar in the Effects panel and type in camera shake. This is the fastest way to find the effect, especially if you do not want to scroll through the full list manually. When the result appears, look for camera shake under the Resolve FX section. That section includes built-in effects designed specifically for editing and enhancing your footage inside DaVinci Resolve. Once you find camera shake, click on it and drag it directly onto the clip where you want the effect to appear. As soon as you drop it onto the clip, the effect is applied. That's all you need to do to add camera shake. If you don't immediately notice the result, make sure you're viewing the correct clip and play it back in the timeline. Sometimes the effect can feel subtle depending on the footage, so it helps to preview the shot and see how the movement changes the overall look. This effect is especially useful for action scenes, dramatic moments, or even adding energy to otherwise still footage. A good tip here is to use camera shake with intention. Even though it's easy to apply, too much shake can make footage feel distracting or unnatural. In many cases, a smaller amount of movement looks more realistic and professional than something overly aggressive. So if you're using it as part of a polished edit, less is often more. And that's it. You simply open Effects, search for camera shake under Resolve FX, and drag it onto your clip. It's a very fast way to add motion and impact to your video without needing to reshoot anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.